Banded incline chest press. It's just like a traditional incline chest press. You're gonna have all the same protocols. Have someone to spot you. Bench is 45 degrees. Have your safety bar. And as I said before, I suggest using a footrest if your bench has it. Adding the shoulders. So this is a very specific exercise for this workout. Notice is that my arms are apart. The band wants to pull me in. You want to choose the band that allows you to do the exercise and not have heavy focus on keeping your arms together. So we'll find the optimal position that allows you to feel your chest more than anything. The bar is over my forehead. I inhale, I stabilize the bar. Exhale, and then I inhale through the nose, bar comes down. Exhale as I press. 3, 2, 1, exhale as I press. Barbell comes across your chest line or slightly above. That's about it. Enjoy the exercise.